Data retention is one of the biggest challenges that this industry is facing. Everyone should be given a level of trust within your team. You need to have a culture set up that can, openly discuss about the vision. Basically, if as a leader I'm not putting in the right vision into their minds, they'll never be happy. They'll never be, passionate about what they're trying to contribute to. You need to keep the BAU piece out of the equation, get a lot more automation done, and then your talent is your human talent is actually spent on the right things that this company needs.
Trying to make sure that the work is meaningful, that the team are working on things that matter in the business, giving the team access to quality systems and platforms, and we're working hard on that, making sure we've got cutting edge tools and helping them contribute on a personal level, so getting involved in decision making and prioritisation and being part of what we're building together.
It's very diluted. Data and analytics is a broad word. It's very diluted. You need to be having your job descriptions and roles defined properly before you put someone in. If you bring in an integration person and ask them to do data science models, it's not fair. Maybe they can give it a crack, but it's not fair.
We've always had quite a number of people that were interested in reporting and analytical tools. So we've really looked to harness those individuals and build them up as subject matter experts for us to then build their capability in the new tool set. We've also been on a massive transformation journey with a lot of external consultants involved as well. And in some cases we've been able to secure some of that talent and bring that in-house. We've really used a combination of looking at our in-house talent and growing that, as well as complementing that with some of our external consultants and contractors, and really trying to bring some industry experience and best practice to what we're doing to try and bring to life our analytics journey.
Team members should understand your leaders are contributing to their career growth as well. So that's important. They can come and talk to you freely, and you can edge how many of our programs you want to retain the talent, because retaining talent is key.
We've really looked to build up our SME capability, but to really bring kind of the industry best practice and some really some thought leadership in this space. We have recruited externally as well. So that's been really beneficial to us to upskill the team more holistically.
There are so many tools out there, platforms, systems, and there are only going to be more and more of those things. I don't think an analyst is going to differentiate themselves by learning one technical tool over another. I think the analyst the way to differentiate yourself as a growing analyst is to understand the business problems and be able to translate them into technical questions and pieces of analysis that you can run, regardless of which programming language you're using to do that.
Gone are the days where IT sat separately to the rest of the business. My team is part of Enterprise Services, which is a cross-functional shared service team, and we partner really closely with the business. So building that business acumen and making sure that the team really understand how is the data being used and what are the underlying processes has been really key to our success. So I think lots of people come with different experiences with data, and they're all really important, but I think having that business acumen and understanding how the data will be used and the importance of data in different aspects of the process is really critical.
I think it has a huge role. I mean, over the last 2-3 years, the whole world has seen the power of data and analytics. Not stopping at that, customer touch points are changing constantly. All the IoT devices, the sensors, even the customer touch point on your phone is generating lots more data than it used to be 3 years ago. So if you're understanding customer, you stay relevant. The role of data analytics will expand exponentially, I would say, in the next 2 years. I think there's a huge role. I think there's a huge role for data analytics.